place is a mess. Oh, hey, look. It's James and Percy. Hey, guys. What are you two doing? We're celebrating Christmas, Thomas. Percy, it's Easter. Oh. Yeah, it's Easter. No, wait, Thomas, it's actually Thanksgiving. No, it's not, James. It's Easter. Easter! You hear me? Easter! Anyway, Percy. It's been a long time since we've celebrated Easter. It was literally a year ago. True. But Easter is a special time of year. Yeah, it is a very special time of year. Why did your voice just change? I don't know. You know, there's something I never understood about Easter. What? Yeah, what? What does a giant bunny delivering eggs have to do with Jesus' resurrection? What? No, seriously. What does it have to do with Jesus' resurrection? I don't know. It just sort of happened. That is a good point. Maybe we should search it up. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I've never seen anything more beautiful in my life. Hey Thomas, what are you doing? Yeah? I found what the Easter Bunny has to do with Jesus. Okay, let's read. And what do they have to do with the resurrection of Jesus? Well, nothing. Bunnies, eggs, Easter, gifts, and fluffy yellow chicks in gardening hats all stem from pagan roots. They were incorporated into the celebration of Easter separately from the Christian tradition of honoring the day Jesus Christ rose from the dead. James, that article was written 13 years ago. Yeah, what's so bad about that? Things have probably changed. So what did we learn today, chaps? The Easter Bunny has nothing to do with Jesus' resurrection. Got me doing it now! I learned that my life is meaningless. I'm a furry.